Imagine waking up in a home that feels like a forgotten time machine. Everything around you, from the brass fittings to the glowing Edison bulbs, feels hand-built and storied. Welcome to Steampunk Interior Design, where homes don't just shelter, they transport. Let's explore how each room can become a portal to a world that never was, but should have been. Your steampunk living room is more than a gathering space, it's the workshop of an eccentric inventor. Rich leather armchairs sit beside an iron and glass coffee table. Gears are mounted like art. Copper pipes snake across exposed brick walls. Shelves display old telescopes, mechanical trinkets, and weathered books that look like they've traveled through time. It's cozy, yes, but also mysterious, like something might click into place and open a hidden door. From the first step in, the story begins. A worn leather bench. A coat rack made from iron and valves. A wall-mounted compass that might still work. Even your key hooks look like they came from a train engine. Visitors know instantly, this is no ordinary home. This is a journey. The bedroom becomes your dream chamber, quite literally. A wrought iron bed frame with brass fittings, velvet drapes that hang heavy, a gear-shaped ceiling light, perhaps a journal on the nightstand with blueprints of a flying machine you've never built. This isn't just a place to rest, it's a setting for stories you haven't written yet. In the kitchen, the line between cooking and crafting blurs. Exposed copper pipes double as shelves. Hanging pans gleam like armor. Cabinet handles are replaced with old wrenches or valves. There might even be a wall-mounted pressure gauge, purely decorative, or maybe not. It feels like you're about to brew something more than soup. Dinner in a steampunk home feels like a council meeting of explorers. The table is reclaimed wood with metal rivets. The lighting hangs from chains, glowing like gas lamps. Each chair is mismatched but united in charm. The centerpiece? Maybe a strange contraption, ticking softly, its purpose unclear. Every meal feels like a moment between inventions. Bathroom is your personal steam chamber. A clawfoot tub, dark stone or copper sink, and exposed plumbing with exaggerated valves. Mirrors are framed in riveted metal. The lights flicker like gas lamps. It's not just a place to wash, it's where you recharge, like a steam engine before its next journey. If you work from home, why not work like a mad genius? Your desk is wood with brass inlays. Your lamp hisses softly with industrial glow. The walls are lined with shelves, books, oddities, old devices. Above your chair, a map of a world that never existed. This is a place for ideas too strange for the present and just right for you. If you have space for it, a steampunk library or lounge might just be the crown jewel. Towering shelves, a globe that spins, a typewriter that works. Dim light, the smell of leather and dust and possibility. This room isn't just for reading, it's for imagining. Steampunk isn't a trend, it's a love letter to the past and the future that never happened. If this video sparked your imagination, hit like, drop something cool in the comments, and subscribe for more rooms that tell stories. Remember, in design and in life, It's okay to build your own world.